Hi friends, I'm ready with the chapter number 4, maths expression, familiar operators. In my second video, I've explained all the operators to you people, but as I promised, I am gonna follow the book and each and everything step by step. So once again, I'm going to explain operators to you people with the practical implementation. First, we will read a chapter. After that, the examples from this chapter I'm going to solve in Jupyter notebook. So here is the expressions, and these are familiar operators. Definitely familiar operators. What are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division? Okay, so popular number, they have taken popular number, another popular number, 2 plus 2. What does it mean? If you only take 4, no matters. If you take 2 plus 2, means that it's not gonna affect. And more thing, if you write 2 plus 2 in a print functions, it's not gonna affect anything. What happens, suppose if you're playing any game and if you lose, you earn 12 and you lost 24, so what's gonna be result? Of course, there can be an implementation if you're designing a game or you are designing any mark store, supermarket database or anything. So that's very important for you to know what is loss, what is earning, what is profit in those. And of course, they are taking example 3 times 12, the result is 36. So in one dose they are taking 3 dozen, and we know that in 1 dozen we are having 12 whatever you are purchasing, so they are multiplying that. Here we can also add floating point value. They have given us a very good example of floating point here. Nothing new, and it's just chapter 4. After that, in next video we are gonna start chapter number 5. So let's make its implementation according to my promise. Let's give it a name, chapter 4. And let's try it. Number equals to 4, print number. You can see it's 4. If I'll take 42 plus 42, it's 84, as I mentioned before. Now it's not print, sorry. Number 2 equals to 0.50. And I'm going to print it. Let's run. 0.5, and if I want to check its type, you can see it's float. Okay friends, so in my second video I've explained operators in detail. I hope it's clear. How can we use operators? These are the simple known operators. If you want me to make another example of division operator, so here is that. Let's run it. 2.0. Okay friends, I hope it's very clear to you people. If there is any confusion, you can comment me, and don't forget to subscribe. Definitely I am working for you people if you encourage me, and if you like my videos, so give it a big thumbs up. Thank you.